Hello, I'm Sapphire and I'm one of the members of SAP Workshop, and today I'm going to tell you about our upcoming events. So at our last meeting, we spent a lot of time together talking, discussing, sharing my experience, my journey to apply for YSEALI Scholarship Program 2018. There were a lot of questions made by the audience that we couldn't have time to answer them all. So we decided to hold another workshop to give you more information. We have been searching for more information in details about programs and workshops, so then we can share with you guys. From my experience, from what we have gathered so far, we and the school decided to hold another SAP workshop with a desire to have people on the way to apply for exchange program with full scholarship. So in the next SAP workshop, we would like to share with you how to evaluate your personal profile, your strengths and weaknesses. What do you need to apply for any exchange program so then you will not be late for the deadline? For example, you cannot get your passport in time, or your professor is too busy so you don't have the letter of recommendation in time. And the most important thing, how to polish your resume or CV. We truly believe that all of us want to have a chance to discover new places with different culture and to meet people from different backgrounds. But not everyone can afford the travel costs. Exchange program with full scholarship is the answer. See you guys at our next workshop on Sunday, the 10th of March at 9 a.m. Bye!